everyone in the school, everyone. Using flash photography and selfie sticks are not allowed when the show is ongoing. The bird.
Wow!
Introducing our host for today, Miss Mia.
Hi everyone! Good afternoon. Did you see our group of pigeons? Did you know that pigeons were used as a messenger to carry out message to our family, friends, and loved ones? Now ladies and gentlemen, please relax and enjoy as our flying feather friends are going to show us some amazing tricks, awesome stunts, guest participation, and important environmental message. Now, are you ready to be amazed by our flying feather friends? Okay, great. So to start with, we'll call my partner here on stage, Mr. Ende. So welcome our doing local honey, Amigo. So Amigo originated from South
Ende naman may nangasama yan.
Neighboring forest in Brazil. And by the way, Amigo is a responsible bird and he likes to see his environment clean. So we have sample trashes right here, and let's see what Amigo will do. Okay, first pick up a plastic cup, walk all the way. What do you do with the garbage bin? Open the bin and drop it inside. Good job. Next one. And you pick up the Coca-Cola can. Open the bin and drop it inside. Next one, please. You pick up the crumpled paper. Open the bin and drop it inside. Good bird. Now see, if birds can do what can do, right? So always put your trashes into the trash bin, because if you don't know that cleanliness is next to godliness. And if you together with this flying feather trends, let's come together. Welcome to Cebu Safari's first show. Now everyone from the jungle of South America, your ducks are flying macaws. So here are our two blue and gold macaw named Kyle.
Wow!
But wait! There's more. So we have a total of 6 blue and gold macaw named Harry, Harry, Toby, Matt, Kyle, and Kyle. And the one green wing macaw named Ringo. Macaws are very adaptive birds.
Ay! Wala kita na.
If they're in, it becomes quite normal to them. So if you're surrounded with many people, they will accept many people. And macaws love to eat variety of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. They also have a powerful beak that can crack hard shell nuts. And we have a total of 370 species of parrots around the world, and macaws are the largest. Okay, and I think they're ready to go back home. So round of applause to our flying macaws. So for our next bird, it is a very special, intelligent, and handsome bird, but I need your help to call him. Can you say Jumbo? I can hear you. Make it louder. Say Jumbo.
Jumbo! Asa man?
They're calling you.
Asa maron? Ah, tara di ay. Ano sa tubangan din, ako nasa luyo gapon.
So macaws have a very long tail and feathers. It can grow up to 2 feet, and a tail that roughly extends up to 3 feet. So now, Jumbo is going to show you his beautiful tail. Wow! So as what you can see,
Nine-flash.
most of your colors outside your body
Ah,
and
talayo.
less colors under your wings. So now, I'm going to show you his wings. Can you say wings?
Wings!
Do
Ah!
it one more time. Say wings.
Wings!
Okay, so macaws' feet are designed pedicellus, which means you have 2 toes that points forward and 2 toes that points backward. They also have a powerful beak that can hold on things sometimes. So here is your eye right here. He has a ground nut. We'll place it on a plastic basket. Now let's see how Jumbo can get it to work. Okay, carefully lift the basket and
Ah, very good, eh?
Now we are using the reward system to recompense the intelligence and efforts of our bird. And as what I have mentioned earlier, that Jumbo is a very special and intelligent bird. Do you want to know why?
Why?
Because Jumbo loves to go to school, to the bird school. So we have 2 tests for Jumbo. So first one will be the spelling test. So we have 5
Bird school.
animal pictures for 3 of 4. So I need you to choose one animal picture. So we have camel, zebra, horse, and tiger. What do you want? Make it louder. What do you want? You're viewing horse. Let's have horse with Miss Jane. So while we're preparing the triple letters, let's have a short interview with Mr. I. Mr. I, how are you doing today? Good to hear. And can I ask if what's Jumbo's favorite food?
Variety of seeds, fruits, and
Variety of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. Oh, good. And we are ready. So let's take a look at the picture carefully. How does horse dance? First, first.
Lang ka, very good, oy.
Good job. Next one, please. Pick up the
Wala! Very good!
Next one, go ahead. Pick up the
Yeah! Up, up,
Last letter is E. What was it even with? Go ahead.
Nagkaon.
Still thinking about it. Okay, we picked
Very good.
So, horse spells H-O-R-S-E. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, it seems to be easy for Jumbo. Let's make it more difficult. So after the spelling test, we're gonna move on to the mathematical test in addition form. So right now, I need you to give me two numbers between 1 to 10. Just hand mixtures on this side. Can you see some hands? Hand mixtures. I'm seeing 7. On the other side. Okay, let's have 5. 7 plus 5 is equals to? Okay, it seems to be sleeper for now. By the way, Mr. Ein, where did Jumbo go to school?
University of Cebu, Sascha.
University of
Cebu Safari.
And where did Jumbo originally came from?
South America.
I think also say here in the Philippines, right?
Yes.
Okay, it's nice. Rounded and we're set. So ready to collect the numbers carefully. 7 plus 5 is equals to? Give us the first number. Go ahead. Okay, so you're going to be patient inside. First, you pick up number 1.
Very good rin, may panglanggam.
Repeat the answer, please. Come on. And you're picking up the number 2. So 7 plus 5 is equals to 12. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, so round of applause for Great Great Papa and Jumbo. So on this juncture, I need 2 volunteers. We have a volunteer staff, Mr. Arachi and Mr. Tommy. So please follow their instructions carefully and please don't do any extra movements and don't try to touch out. Okay, great. So now everyone, I want you to meet our cute and colorful second year name, Buddy. Come on, Buddy.
Ka-cute.
So Bunny is a very good bird and made a lot of friends way back at home. So after he finishes the school, he will go back home to call his friends. Thank you. You can now settle down. So now everyone, I want you to also meet a group of second years, Bunny's friends. Okay, so you can observe our birds are free to fly. So we didn't put their legs in that way they can exercise their natural behavior in their natural habitat. Okay, thank you so much. Right now, I need an adult volunteer who will celebrate a rich adult one. So now everyone, I want you to meet our couple of second year named Dave and Dom. So second years are monogamous type of birds, meaning they can only have one partner for a lifetime. And these type of birds are their lifespan, they can survive about 20-25 years, while in captivity is 30 to 35 years. Thank you so much, sir. Right now, for our last volunteer, I need someone or adult volunteer with a peso bill, or paper bill. Okay. Message here on this side. Hi, good afternoon. Can I ask for your name? Hi, Miss Joanne. Can you keep your money first in your pocket? We're gonna need it later, but first we're gonna need some beautiful birds, okay? So I need you to hold this one right here with Mr. Adam. I need you to stand up here on this side, face the crowd. So just please don't do any extra movements. Are you ready? Okay, so now everyone, I want you to also meet our group of Loris. So we have your rainbow Loris
Ay,
and
kakit.
black cap Loris. And by the way, Loris are highly active birds and they can be a bit noisy, but they love to eat variety of seeds, fruits, pollens, nectars, and honey. Okay, I think they'll enjoy it. Good go, guys. Okay, thank you. Miss Joanne, can you get your money from your pocket and show it to the crowd? So Miss Joanne has a 100 peso bill, so now I need you to fold your money 3 times on the same way. 1 and 2. Last one. We need it left. Okay, 3. Thank you so much. So I need you to hold your money like this. Stretch your arms out, and then just please don't do any extra movements. Okay? Are you ready? Okay. So now everyone, I want you to also meet our little cute second year name, Sunny. So Sunny loves money and they usually pick up things to build their next tattoo.
Mana yung istorya, ma?
We'll go ahead and license Joanne. And pick up the 100 pesos. So bye-bye Sunny and bye-bye 100. Thank you. Ma'am, you want to say something to the bird? Pick up your 100. Pick up. But did you enjoy?
Kamu nih lahir sa kamera?
Do it one more time. Like they still have another 500, 1,000. Okay, just kidding. Nothing to worry. Please stand up for you one more time. Open your hands. Okay. Just don't do any extra movements, okay? Nothing to worry, guys. Sunny of seeds more than money. Okay, ready? Let's give Mr. Joanne 700 pesos back. Okay, Sunny. Right to Mr. Joanne. And put the 100 pesos back. So thank you so much, buddy. We cannot give it to Mr. Ryan. So round of applause to Sunny and thank you so much, ma'am. We cannot take this. Thank you. So we have here our most handsome ticket name, Mr. Horn with Mr. Acat. So ticket is the largest ticket of all other species, and as what you can observe, they have a black body with the white marks on his throat to help them camouflage in the rainfall. So Mr. Acat right here will try to toss some fruits, and let's see how good he is attached. Hi, Mr. Horn. Hi, buddy. Hi, Mr. Horn. Okay, good bird. Mr. Aiken will try to toss some fruits right now. Okay. Good catch. Another one? Another one. Good catch, buddy. Good bird. That's really good. That's fine. And by the way, tickets have a big and powerful bill that looks heavy, but actually it is extremely light because it is made out of protein and keratin, just like our hairs and our legs. Good bird. Okay. Good catch. More? Okay, good bird. But that's what you say too far. Okay. See. Okay, that's fine. And if I play tickets again, so to do some bathing after that. Oh, that's fine. Okay. Right now, are you ready to go home or do you want to stay? Stay or want to go home? Okay, he wants to go home. So thank you so much, Mr. Rick, and a round of applause to Mr. Horn. So since we're already here in Brazil, let's meet Mr. Horn's good friends because we have here our yellow-crowned Amazon parrots named Lani and Rudy together with their mentors, Mr. Jahan and Mr. James.
Lani and Rudy. Yellow crown Amazon parrot is the most commonly kept Amazon due to its singing ability and playfulness.
That's right, and mimic is the happy sound with what we heard every day.
Can you say hi? They can mimic the different sounds of animals just like a rooster, a cat, and a dog. And also mimic a telephone ringing. Three-body rooster. Okay, how about cat?
Rudy, can you bark?
Okay, how about your Lani telephone? Okay, how about Rizal? Okay.
And also, Rudy and Lani, they love to sing, but before they sing, we need to have a warm-up first.
Okay, let's do the warm-up. How about the first song? Again. Ready for the second song? With me as first. We're celebrating your birthday, so they are within this month. Hi, happy birthday. Listen carefully because Lani and Rudy will sing a happy birthday song. Everybody sing happy birthday. Tigas naman.
Kurog-kurog pa.
Gadis. Sorry, chapter serving in bird name Lani and Guru. Okay, so round of applause to our Indian Blue House, Princess and her three friends. So right, let's use you honor to witness the extraordinary skills of our cute and fluffy birds. Now let's meet some raptors, our birds of prey. So when you say birds of prey, there are birds that choose to pursue smaller mammals or birds as their food. Like for example, eagles, hawks, vultures, and owls, they're defined as birds of prey. So right now, let me call here on stage. We have Mr. James together with Marina. So Marina is the white-bellied eagle from Australia. They're monogamous type of birds, meaning they can only have one partner for a lifetime. And their diet, they love to eat small mammals, reptiles, and birds, especially aquatic animals like small fishes and sea snakes. So you better watch out because Marina will fly closer to you later at the end of the show. So she'll just go back inside to prepare her flight later. Okay, thanks so much, Marina. Okay, so now everyone, for our first bird of prey, put your hands together to our sniper prey in flight, our bromelicite named Glider.
Come on.
Good job, boys. So bromelikites are formerly known as the red-backed eagle in Australia, and their diet, they love to eat small mammals, reptiles, and birds, and they're locally known as Bisaya and Lawin in Tagalog. So round of applause for bromelicite named Glider. So for our second bird of prey, it is a diurnal bird of prey, meaning they're more active on daytime and they do their hunting mostly on daytime. And with that, we need a lure. Handled by Mr. James once again. Now the lure will serve as the full bird of prey because our next bird will gonna showcase how good he is at catching his food. So now everyone, keep your eyes alert to our Philippine hawk eagle named Hunter. We have here Mr. Ian. He has the real food of the real prey because Hunter will not let go of the lure without an exchange. And it's what you can observe that Mr. Ian is wearing a thick glove. It is for the protection of the large and sharp talons of our birds. And Philippine hawk eagle is under the red list of IUCN as endangered species threatened by habitat loss. And same with other birds of prey, they love to eat small mammals, reptiles, and birds. They also have a wingspan of 105 to 125 centimeters. So round of applause to our Philippine hawk eagle named Hunter. Named Tattoo. Landing well. So now let's talk about owls. So Philippine eagle owl is the largest owl in the Philippines. They have a large head with bulging eyes. Their eyes are very good in total darkness. They can see 10 times better than the human eye. And when they fly, they almost fly in silent because they have a special feather structure that reduces turbulence. And the hearing is acute. They can hear a mouse squeak from half a mile away. And they're locally known as buhay or rabbit. Ready to go, everybody? Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3. Sorry to be long. 1, 2, 3.
Bahala mo, di ko muli.
Okay, good bird. So round of applause for Philippine eagle owl named Tattoo. So from the medium-sized birds of prey, let's move on to the one of the largest birds of prey. So right now, I need the cooperation of everyone to please settle down. Everyone, please sit down. No one will stand up. Because, and please don't try to reach out our birds. It is for your own safety because our birds will fly closer to you. And please, when taking pictures, please turn off the flash of your phones. Thank you so much. So we have our bird trainer up there, Mr. Irvin. Are you ready, sir? Okay, we're ready. So now everyone, for our grand finale, keep your heads up high. So our white-bellied sea eagle named Marina.
Ano na ba?
So white-bellied sea eagle are also known as the king of the sea. They have a white plumage from their head down to their underparts, and from their back and wings they have a dark gray in color. And they're mostly found in Tasmania, Southeast Asia, and Australia.
same with other birds or animals, female is slightly larger than the male ones. And they're a monogamous type of birds, meaning they can only have one partner for a lifetime. Estamos memorizing for you. You ready? Let's go.
Kasi papansin ay.
We have your three types of cars, your vasculars, our chattering cars, and your rugby cars. And to make this more memorable, we have here the symbol of love,
Wow!
peace,
Wow!
prosperity, and harmony, and freedom of allegiance. And our scarlet armies,
Lah.
And before we totally end our show, let me introduce you to the people behind the success of our show. My partner here on stage, Mr. I, together with Marina, our other bird trainer, Mr. Irvin, Mr. Romney,
Ano ko ba nga tikling?
Ms. Jehan, Ms. Levin, Mr. Chuck, and our sound engineer, Mr. Benjamin, and our publicity staff, Mr. Tommy and Mr. Reggie, and last but not least, our professional bird trainer, Mr.